Tap the country number.
Assalamu alaikum and welcome to New Zealand, the land of Kiwis. My name is Qari Snail. Nope, it's not curry, but Qari. Qari means I am a Quran teacher. I will be your guide as you travel around the world and learn to read Arabic. With the help of Allah, today we're going to learn the first two letters of the Arabic alphabet. They are the A and B sounds. Look at the shape of the first letter carefully. What does it look like? Can you see it now? Yes, it looks like a bird sitting on a pole. He looks angry. What about the second letter? Yes, it looks like a boat with a fish swimming under it. Now, let's watch a story about Angry Bird on a pole and boat with a fish underneath. But for that, you need to go to the next activity. Enjoy your stay in New Zealand.
Fantastic. Story Zone. Watch
Angry bird and boat with a fish underneath. An angry bird sat staring out at the sea. He sat on a pole on the end of a wharf. It was a perfect pole for seeing a long way off across the sea. It was high enough that the waves could not reach Angry Bird, and just the right size for him to perch on. Angry Bird had been on the pole for 3 days. His stomach grumbled with hunger, but he would not budge from his pole. "This is my pole," he muttered to himself. "If I leave it, someone will come along and take it." Other birds came to the seaside looking for food. They filled their beaks with delicious fish. Angry Bird's mouth watered at the sight of the fish, but he stayed still. "This is my pole," he yelled at the other birds. "Get out of here." A long boat with curved up ends drifted up to where Angry Bird sat on his pole. A fisherman sat in the boat, his rod dangling in the water. "What a great spot you have up there on your pole," said the fisherman to Angry Bird. "You must be able to see all the fish in the sea. I wish you could spot some fish for me." "I am not leaving my pole," Angry Bird thought to himself. "I have been fishing all day to find supper for my family," said the fisherman. "It's getting dark and I still have nothing." Angry Bird felt his stomach grumble louder. "I'll have to tell my family that there will be no supper tonight," said the fisherman. Angry Bird looked at the boat. He could see a huge fish underneath. The boat with the fish underneath wobbled in the water. The fish was quick. "He'll never catch that fish," thought Angry Bird. He started to feel sorry for the fisherman. He spread his wings and swooped down off his pole. The fish under the boat was quick, but Angry Bird was quicker. He snapped it up in his beak and dropped it into the boat. The fisherman jumped in surprise. "You are a wonderful bird." The fisherman smiled and shared some of the fish with Angry Bird. Angry Bird flew back to his pole. "Yes, this is the perfect pole," he said to himself. "But a kind deed and a full stomach is even better."
MashaAllah. Question time. Tap the right answer. What was the name of the bird on a pole? Angry Bird.
Yes, that's the one.
Where did Angry Bird sit? On a boat.
Yes, you got it right.
What is the first sound you hear in the word angry? A.
Yes, that's the one.
Angry Bird saw the fisherman on a shore with a net, boat with a fish on.
Yes, you got it right.
What sound does the word boat?
Yes, that's the one.
Alhamdulillah. Happy Paint. Paint the character with your favorite colors and add it to.
Here is Angry Bird. Angry, that's the word. With a top that's round, line straight down. Angry Bird has no clear sound. Sits on his pole all day. Won't move it all, no way. With a top that's round, line straight down. Angry Bird has no clear sound. But this is for a boat, and a fish swims as it floats, swimming under the sea. But you see is a boat with a fish underneath. The fish will always stay under the boat this way, swimming under the sea. But you see is a boat with a fish underneath. Under the sea, but you see is a boat with a fish underneath. Here is Angry Bird. Angry, that's the word.
MashaAllah. Alef Ba secret. Watch the video and learn the secret of your new letters.
Let's learn how to pronounce the and b sounds. Here is the first letter. The top round shape looks like a bird. The straight line below looks like a pole. Since this letter reminds us of the bird character from the earlier story, we will call this letter Angry Bird on a Pole. Angry Bird on a Pole is a silent letter that doesn't make any sound. Now we will learn the second letter. It is shaped like a boat. Since the dot under it reminds us of the fish from the story, we will call this letter Boat with a Fish Underneath. Boat with a fish underneath letter makes a B sound. The word boat starts with a B sound as well. That's easy. Now we know the letter boat with a fish underneath makes a B sound like this. B as in boat. B. 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 Let's say it together. B. 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 Well done. You're a champion. Before we start reading, first we need to learn the vowel sounds in the Arabic language. For now, we will only learn the short A sound. As you can see, it is a small line drawn over boat with a fish underneath. Vowels in the Arabic language never come by themselves. Instead, they are written on top or below consonants. To make things easy, we will call this vowel baby A, because it needs to be carried by another letter just like a baby. Remember, baby A cries saying ah. Here is an example. Boat with a fish underneath is carrying baby A on top. Since boat with a fish underneath makes a B sound and baby A makes an E sound, together we can read them as ba. B, E, ba. Let's read it again. B, E, ba. Ba. In the next example, we have the letter Angry Bird carrying baby A. Remember that Angry Bird is a silent letter, so we just read the vowel sound as A. Let me tell you a little secret before we start reading. Have you seen your parents read the Quran? Which side of the page do they read from? The right side, exactly, because in the Arabic language, the words are read from right to left. For example, in the English language, we read this word as bat, starting from left to right. But if it was an Arabic word, we would have read it as tab, starting from right to left. It might sound a bit confusing at the start, but with some practice, you will soon learn how to read in Arabic. Now, let's read some words with a and b sounds.
Bear, 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 bear.
Well done!
Alhamdulillah. Sound pad. Help.
Tap on b. B. 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 Tap on b. B.
Fantastic. Sound search. Tap the... Which picture starts with the A sound?
Yes! 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 Yes!
Which picture starts with the B sound?
Yes! 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 Yes!
MashaAllah. Catch the crab. Match the word. No, it's not. Fantastic. Letter song. Listen to the song.
Here is Angry Bird. Angry, that's the word. With a top that's round, line straight down. Angry Bird has no clear sound. Sits on his pole all day. Won't move it all, no way. With a top that's round, line straight down. Angry Bird has no clear sound. But this is for a boat, and a fish swims as it floats, swimming under the sea. But you see is a boat with a fish underneath. The fish will always stay under the boat this way, swimming under the sea. But you see is a boat with a fish underneath. Under the sea, but you see is a boat with a fish underneath.
MashaAllah. Reading practice. Read the words using the sound. Fantastic. Tap the country number.